Croeso nôl, amser wers eto.
Ooh, dyna gyffroes.
I edrych ymlaen. Ti barod?
This is as good as the last one.
I think
O'n i'n wych.
It can only get better.
Ti'n iawn.
Okay.
Reit ta, mae Rhys ap William yn dod I siarad gyda ni ar y soffa.
Nice.
Mae Rhys yn dod o Gwm Llynfell.
Ble mae We?
Enw neis yn dydi?
No?
Gwm Llynfell.
Cwm Llynfell.
Yeah,
What does that mean?
Swansea Valley.
Oh, Swansea Valley. I thought that was going to be right up north.
Na, yeah.
Okay, nice.
Ac mae Rhys yn actor. Mae o wedi actio mewn llawer o gyfresu. Lot o series ar S4C. Pobl y Cwm, Kai Rossiter.
Okay.
A mae o hefyd, fo ydy'r llais rygbi yn Stadiwm y Millennium.
Oh, I know, yes, of course.
Yeah.
What a good job that is.
Yeah.
He gets to watch every game.
A hefyd, beth sy'n cute iawn, trivia eto, mae gan Rhys gi. He has a dog called Boblen Jones.
Boblen Jones?
Yeah. Ac mae gan Boblen dudalen Facebook, his dog.
My dog's got a Twitter page.
Go iawn?
Yeah. At Louis Johnson's. He has, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, he talks, he loves it. He's bored most of the time. OK, wers.
Iawn te. Ar sgrin gynta. Ooh.
Tidy.
Tidy. Yn edrych fel tidy.
OK.
Iawn te. Ti ydi. You are.
Ti ydi.
Ti ydi.
Ti ydi actor.
Nawr te. You're an actor. Rwyt ti'n actor. You're the actor. Ti'n gweld?
So you're the...
Fel pwyslais iawn, emphasis. We use this pattern when you're emphasising something. So, for example, okay, you're Kai Rossiter.
Oh, OK.
You're the best. Ti ydi'r gore.
Diolch.
Na, you're supposed to say na, Nia. Ti ydi'r gore. Let's try it. Ti ydi'r gore.
Diolch, Nia. Ti ydi gore.
Diolch, Matt.
OK, beth ydi?
Beth ydi what is.
What is.
Felly.
Beth ydi.
Cyffredinol iawn. What's your favourite?
Beth ydi dy hoff?
Ardderchog. Mae gan Rhys trick party trick. So, what is your party trick? We can ask him ar ddiwedd y cyfweliad. Sgrin nesa. Fase ti'n hoffi?
Fase ti. Now, we've had this before, hasn't we?
Yeah.
Fase ti'n hoffi?
A question ydi, would you like?
Would you like?
Would you, yeah.
Would
so
you
conditional.
like?
Would you like, yeah. So, would you like to play rugby? Mae'n hoffi rugby.
Fase ti'n hoffi
Would you like
chwarae
to...
pêl-droed?
Yeah.
Is it no treiglo after hoffi?
Na, goes.
No treiglo.
Perfect. OK. Ac wedyn...
Baswn.
Yes, no. Baswn? Na, baswn.
Baswn is the answer then, is it?
So, yeah.
Okay.
So, literally, yes, I would. Baswn.
I think I need to go through this a little bit longer today.
Ti'n iawn. Tra dyn ni'n ymarfer, na ni wylio Rhys ap William.
Give it here.